Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss Class 10 M.L.aggarwal Arithmetic and Geometric Progression Chapter 9 Exercise 9.1 Question number 1 to 3. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve here Chapter 9 Arithmetic and Geometric Progression. Exercise 9.1 we will solve here. And firstly, we will know what is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term. Means if we add some fixed number to the preceding term except the first term is called an arithmetic progression, abbreviated as AP. In other words, a list of numbers is called an arithmetic progression if and only if the difference of any term from its preceding term is constant, that is a fixed number. For example, if you take an AP that is 11, 15, 19, 23, 27 in a repeated interval, then its first term we will write it as 11 and common difference will be A2 minus A1. So that will become here 15 minus 11, which is equal to 4. Hence, now we will solve exercise 9.1 after knowing arithmetic progression. Means a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to a given number or the first term also. This is the meaning of arithmetic progression. Now let us solve exercise 9.1 question number 1. For the following AP, write the first term A and the common difference D in this question. Question number 1 ka first part. Firstly we will solve. So if you want to find the first term will be the first term in that AP. So that is 3 here. So if we write A, that is equal to 3, and if we write the common difference, that is denoted by D, means A2 minus A1 we can write. So A2 minus A1 will be 1 minus 3, that will become minus 2. Means the common difference in this question is minus 2 and the first term in this is A. First term is denoted by A and common difference is denoted by D. Now if we solve the second part similarly, we can see first term here is 1 by 3. And if we want to write the common difference, that is A2 minus A1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 means that will become 5 minus 1, 4 by 3. So the common difference in this question is 4 by 3. Hence the first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. Similarly, the third question is also like this. A is minus 3 by 0.2 means the first term is minus 3.2 and D will be A2 minus A1. So that will become minus 3 minus minus 3.2 equal to minus 3 plus 3.2, that is 0.2. Means the common difference is 0.2 and the first term is minus 3.2, and this is the final solution of question number first, second and third part. Now let us solve question number 2, first and second part firstly. So here we have to find the first four term of the AP when the AP first term A and the common difference D are given as follows, where A is 10 and D is 10. So simply if we want to write the first four terms of the AP, so let the first in the first part, let the first four terms of the AP be A1, A2, A3 and A4. So simply if we write A1 here, because the first term is 10, so here this is the second term we are starting from. So A1 we can write it as 10 plus 10. 10 is the first term and D is the common difference. So that will become 20. After that A2 again 20 plus 10, that will become 30. Again A3 will become 30 plus 10, that will become 40. And again A4 will become 40 plus 10, that is 50. So the given AP is here, given AP is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and so on. So this is the given AP in this question and this is the answer of the first part. Now solving the second part. So this is the second part here. We have the first term is minus 2 and common difference is 0. So simply A1 here it will become minus 2 plus 0. Again minus 2, A2 minus 2 plus 0 again minus 2, A3 like this, minus 2 plus 0, again minus 2, and A4 minus 2 plus 0, again minus 2. So the given AP in this question will be, given AP is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, and minus 2, so on. So this is the given AP, and this is the answer of first and second part of question number 2. Now let us solve question number 2, third part, where we have to find again the first four terms of an AP. So here first term is 4 and common difference is minus 3. So A1 we can write 4 minus 3, that will 1. A2 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. A3 minus 2 minus 3 equal to minus 5. And A4 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. So the given AP in this question will become, given AP will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, and minus 8, so on. So this is the answer of the given AP. Now if we solve second, fourth part, where the first term is 1 by 2 and D is equal to minus 1 by 6. So if you write the AP, A1 here will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, taking LCM. So here if you take LCM, that will become 6, and this will be 3 minus 1 equal to 2 by 6. So 1 by 3 is the value of A1. If we write A2 like this, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, again 6 is the LCM, 2 minus 1 equal to 1 by 6. A3 if we write, again 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 equal to 0. A4 will be 0 minus 1 by 6 equal to minus 1 by 6. So the given AP will be here. First term is 1 by 2, second term is 1 by 3, third term is 1 by 6, fourth term is 0, and fifth term is minus 1 by 6. So these are the given AP in this question which we have to find. Here as given we have to find the first four terms, so we can take first four terms like this one part, and here also this one part is the first four term and this one part is the first four term we have to write of an AP. Hence this is the final solution of question number 2, first, second, third, and fourth part. Now let us solve question number 3. Which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the next three terms. So if we write the first part of the third question, we have to see if this is an AP or not. So given A is 4 and common difference should be constant whole. So here we can write D should be equal to A2 minus A1, and that should be equal to A3 minus A2, and that should be equal to A4 minus A3. So if we write this part, A2 minus A1 is 6 here also, A3 minus A2 here also 6, and A4 minus A3, this is also 6. Hence this forms an AP. This forms an AP because common difference is fixed. Now the second part if we solve, A is minus 2, and if we write the common difference again, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, so that is A2 minus A1, 2 plus 2, that is 4, A3 minus A2 will become minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, and this is A4 minus A3, 2 minus minus 2 will become 4. So as this is not constant and there is variation in the sign of the number, as this is not constant means the common difference is not constant, so we can write it does not form an AP. It does not form an AP. Now the third part if we solve, that is like 2, 4, 8, 16. Hence A is 2, and if we write D, that is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, and A4 minus A3. So here also A2 minus A1 if we write, that will become 2, 8 minus 4 will become 4, and A4 minus 16 minus 8 will become 8. So as this common difference is not constant whole, so we can write this does not form an AP. Now if we solve the fourth part, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2, we can simply write here that first term is 2 and common difference will be a2 minus a1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2 equal to 5 minus 4 by 2, so 1 by 2. And if we write the second term, that is a3 minus a2 equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, so that will become 6 minus 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. And here also a4 minus a3 will become 7 by 2 minus 3 equal to 7 minus 6 divided by 2, 1 by 2. As this common difference is constant in this question, so this forms an AP here. This forms an AP. Now solving the fifth part, which is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. So here first term is minus 10 and the common difference will become a2 minus a1 equal to minus 6 minus minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 equal to 4. A3, now it will become a3 minus a2 equal to minus 2 minus minus 6 equal to minus 2 plus 6 equal to 4. Now a4 minus a3 equal to 2 minus minus 2 equal to 4. As this common difference is constant in this question, so we can write common difference is constant in the whole AP. So we can write this forms an AP. This forms an AP here. Now the sixth term if we solve, that is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square and 7 square. So that is 1, 9, 25, 49. If we write the first term, that is 1 and common difference will be a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 and a4 minus a3. So here a2 minus a1 will become 9 and minus 1 equal to 8. 25 minus 9 equal to 16 and 49 minus 25 equal to 24. As this common difference is not constant or fixed quantity, hence we can write this does not form an AP. This does not form an AP. Means in this question only three parts form an AP, which is first, fourth and or fifth part. First, fourth and fifth part form an AP in this question, and this is the final solution of question number 3. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth part. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.